Hello everyone and welcome back to the Decentralized Bull Channel. Today, on this beautiful day, we are going to talk about the upcoming breakout here for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just sitting on a verge of a breakout here at around 105k. We had a nice recovery here from this dip here now down to 97k, which was very scary for the altcoins, but as we can see here, we are already up from there 7.5% with a 10x leverage. That's 75%. So if you put 10k into a trade, you can make $75,000 with this trade. I also opened the trade around 100k for Bitcoin. We can see it here already, almost $4,000 in a profit, which is amazing. I opened this trade, as you can see here, at around $100,000, and I also opened some trades on AI tokens. My AVAX token that I have since last week, it's still around $283 negative, which is not so bad. It's already recovering. It was down already like 2-3k, I think, in the past couple of days when we dipped down below to 97k. Now we have my H-bar trade, which was already in the profits today, but H-bar decided to take a little bit of a breather. We will maybe take a look at this later in the video. Then we have here my Doge trade down 8k, but I already realized some profits on this trade, and you can see my liquidation price very low for all of this trade, so I'm not worried. Then we have here 3k realized, 8.7k unrealized on Link. Tower trade also 2k realized, another 2k unrealized gains, so quite happy outcomes from my trades. My sold trades as well, almost $3,000 in profits accumulated with realized and unrealized gains, so quite happy here. Now let's go and take a look at Bitcoin and see what is happening here. We can see already, we already start to form here a nice uptrend with higher highs and higher lows. For now, we just need to go back here and create another higher high. This is very important. We might go a little bit down to here to 104, but I think right now we're just moving a little bit sideways, and then with the US market open, we will push to the upside. So from here, we'll probably go up like here to 109k. Then we have also a little bit of resistance here at 107, but I think that would be not so bad, just a little bit. So if we manage to go above the 105 today and have a nice breakout with volume and a good confirmation, then we can even go for a new all-time high the next couple of days. So brace yourself for a Bitcoin pump, I would say. For now, I wouldn't jump into a trade around. Now it's not the time to jump a trade. The time was at around 100k or even here below 100k, as you can see here, my trade. But once we break out and we create a new higher high, I would open a trade on the confirmation, or I might even add to my trade. That's my strategy and my plan for now. Right now, we are on the verge of a breakout, so it's not confirmed yet. So we might still go a little bit below, test this support zone here at 103, and then go up again. That's very likely. Yesterday, also the FOMC meeting had some positive outcomes because they mentioned that banks can custody Bitcoin and handle Bitcoin, which is positive. There was no change in the rate cuts, so still around 4.5% interest rate, but we might see some rate cuts later in the future. So with that, I'm still very bullish on the whole market. Now let's take a look here on our slow mover, Ethereum. It's finally going back into the profits here very soon, just $20, and my trade is back in the profits. I already have here some limit orders that I want to execute. You can see here at 3,255, just because I added some margin to this trade and I want to take this margin back once it goes back into the profits. After that, at 3,300 and at 3,425, those are my take profits for Ethereum. If it goes lower for now, which I don't think so, we already can see we have a nice trend here going to the upside. We just need to create a new higher high here, and with that I will probably also take my profits here. That's probably going to happen in the next couple of hours. These are my expectations, around 70% chance that we go to the upside. Now let's take a look at some of my other trades, maybe AVAX. Let's take a look at AVAX. What do I think about AVAX? Also on the verge of a breakout right here, just moving sideways. So once we will create a higher high, we will probably go back to the $37. So brace yourself for a nice AVAX pump as well. Now let's see what else is interesting in the market. Maybe some of my other trades here. Let's look at H-bar. And H-bar, as you can see here, was already in the profits today, as you can see it here, and it's probably gonna go back into the profit. But for now, I don't like the pattern so much, because I can see here a double top formation, which is not so positive for H bar. So we have here on H bar a double top formation, which is not so nice here on the 4-hourly. I would like to see from here a nice bounce to the upside now above this price area, so I can take also my profits. As you can see, I already have them aligned here at these areas, and after that I will keep some of this trade up to higher prices like 37 or 39 cents. Now, what will I do in this market? Now I think it's the time to wait, guys. So we have to wait for the confirmation. Here on Bitcoin, we have to break out this resistance. As we can see here, this resistance has been quite strongly. We try to break here, we try to break here and here. So many touch points here. That's why we have to break. And once we'll break it, it will be a big one, guys. So get yourself prepared for that. Put some positions or strategies. You can definitely go. If it breaks from here, it's probably gonna go to 107 for sure. So that would be a nice price target to take some profits and wait for some new opportunities. Besides that, I'm definitely very bullish on AI. And that's it for today's video. If you want to trade like me, as you can see here, I'm making thousands and thousands of dollars every single day. You can join here on VX. They are giving, just for my community, an exclusive bonus of $20,000. Very easy to get this bonus. You just have to go to sign up and create an account, deposit, and start trading, and you will get those bonuses. Now, join down below in the description and in the pinned comment. Don't forget to take profits. See you all again next time. Bye bye.